Hi guys, this is Fundamental People speaking. I'm here to be teaching you guys about Nasdaq 100. Okay, as you can see on my chart, I have some Bollinger Bands. Okay, so this is the mobile vision of our strategy. Okay, so I'll be removing the bands because we are not gonna use them. Okay, so we're just gonna be using the market like this. Okay, so on nas100, let's just switch to 4 hours chart. Okay, we're gonna switch for 4 hours chart. We're gonna switch to 4 hours chart. I'm gonna be starting with how to kill the long-term trades on Nasdaq 100. Okay, so if you wanna kill long-term trades on Nasdaq 100, you just switch to 4 hours chart. Okay, and then you simply use RSI. Okay, simply use RSI and price action, and then if you have a PC, you can use our system. I will also make a video with our system. Okay, so what does the nas100 strategy say? The nas100 strategy says that Nasdaq is always on uptrend. Okay, nas100 is always on uptrend during normal times, not with these times of COVID, meaning that if you see RSI touching down, you know that it is your time to sell, to buy, okay, so you can see the RSI touched down, so it's our time to buy. But then we can't just buy, we have to wait for some rejections. Okay, if you can check right here, this is a rejection, this is a rejection. Okay, this right here is a rejection, and the market went down sharply. So always before you buy, wait for nas100 to fall sharply, either with 1 big candles or 2 big candles. Then you wait for rejections and then you buy. Just imagine if you waited here for this candle to complete and also this candle to complete, you know you can take a buy here. Okay, and from here to here, it's a lot of money because this is a 4 hours chart. Okay, so you can see it went down sharply, it rejected, and then you can take a buy with 0.01. You hold, you can enter another trades here. Okay, then again you can see that nas100 went down sharply again, it rejected, you can still enter a buy here. Okay, even here they went down aggressively with 1, okay, 2, and then this is the 3rd candle that rejected, then you can take a buy. Okay, but then normally I like taking buys when I see a W. So you can see this is a W. Okay, and with rejections, this is rejection 1, this is rejection 2, and then you can take a buy. And also you can see that RSI is oversold here. Okay, if you took a buy here, you can hold as long as you're seeing profits. You can hold forever. You can put your stop loss inside your trades and lock your trades, and then you hold. You can see the market went up and up and up. Okay, again, if you missed an entry here, where will you enter? Just enter when you see a V, because nas100 is always going up. So once you see a V like this, that's where you can enter. And I'm quite sure that this is also a nice entry because of what? You can check, we have a gap here, and then a pin bar, a rejection pin bar. Then that's where you can take a buy. You should take a look at these things on 4 hours chart. This rejection on Nasdaq is very important. You can see the market went up. Even this rejection here, you can see the market went up. And then if you see a rejection like this on an uptrend on Nasdaq, don't be afraid, just take a buy. You can see the market went down on 15 minutes. this movement down, it will be sharply, and then you can enter a buy here after the rejection. Okay, you can see this was a rejection, the market went up because Nasdaq is always going up. Why? Because Nasdaq consists of a lot of companies that are doing good, so its stock market will always be going up. So your job is to enter when it sells. You can enter a buy after seeing a rejection. As for sales, you wait for this RSI, okay, to be overbought. Okay, once the RSI is overbought, you look for what? You look for rejections like this, and then you can take a sell. But then your sell should be a short-term trade. Short-term trade meaning 3 hours or 4 hours. Okay, because you can check even this one, they made a nice M and then they rejected, then you can sell. Okay, but selling, you have to sell for at least 4 hours to be safe. Okay, and then we had COVID, then the market went down. The market started going down, but then you can see that the market started going down after seeing what? An M. Okay, so you wait for the market to be above the overbought level, you wait for an M, you sell. It's very simple. So let's check on our current month. Okay, so you can see that the market started going up here. Okay, after starting an uptrend, small uptrend, you can see the market was oversold. We had a nice gap down. Okay, the market started going up. So why did I say buy nas100 yesterday? Because I saw that we have a V here. Okay, so we had a gap, the market went up to try to fill it, and then we had this kind of rejections. That's where I said buy nas100. Okay, I hope you understand. Remember, with nas100 it pays a lot, so if you see like a rejection like this, you can take a small sell. Even a rejection like this, you can take a small sell. Okay, rejections like this, you can take buy. Okay, it was very simple. So let's check 15 minutes chart. Okay, on 15 minutes chart, I'm just trying to use a naked chart to remember. I only love rejections and stuff. Sometimes I don't even look at the RSI, but then I love rejections. Hence, that's why I give signals based on rejections. And this is to those people who are not using our system. But then to those who are using our system, it's a lot easier. I will share you guys a video. I'll make a video on the system based on nas100. Okay, so how did we determine this buy yesterday? Okay, how did we determine this buy yesterday? You can see we had a gap. After a gap, what happened? We had a small W. After this small W, we had a big green candle. Okay, after this green candle, I took a buy. Okay, and then again we had a re-entry here, because here we had rejections towards the low. Okay, so we had 1, 2 rejections. Okay, 1, 2 rejections. So that's why I said buy nas100, because the news were coming and then the market went up. You can see we also had another V here with a nice rejection. You could have taken a buy. Okay, even here, this is a nice W. You could have taken a buy. Okay, you should check these things. It is very easy. I said to you guys that if you want to enjoy nas100, when it's in the middle, try to buy it. When it's at the top, okay, you cannot just sell it. Wait for rejections before you can sell it. Okay, you can see here, Nasdaq was in the middle. It went down sharply. Remember, after a sharp movement, what are we gonna do? We're gonna wait for a nice W and then we enter a buy. This is a nice W, we entered a buy. If you've seen this rejection here, you could have entered a buy. Okay, so we wait for this kind of sharp movements down, and then we wait for rejections, then we buy. Okay, this kind of sharp movements down, we wait for rejections, W, and then you buy. Okay, or it's very easy during the normal times. It's very easy. I will be uploading videos each day just to try to show you guys some light on nas100. Okay, peace guys. Just remember that each and every single day when we analyze the news, the direction of Nasdaq, if you find out that Nasdaq is at the top and then you see a rejection, always sell. Okay, after selling, once you see some rejections downwards, buy it. Okay, and then for buy, if you see that yesterday maybe we had a W, okay, or if you see that in the morning we had a W and then now you have some rejections, that's a sign of continuation. Then you know you have to buy it. Okay, and then yesterday, if those who were smart, they took a trade here and then they holded it, they will be out somewhere around here, because the Nasdaq moves nicely when it's going up. Okay, this is just me trying to show you guys some light. Okay, if you can check this reversal here, this is a head and head and shoulders. A head and shoulders. This is a head. This is a head, this is shoulder, this is shoulder. Then that's when the market went down. And remember, the market was overbought. Okay, it's very simple. So just try to read the nas100 strategy, and then I'll also try to make more videos. When I see some entries, I'll always give you guys a video. I'll keep on showing you guys, because yesterday I have so many people who were asking me about how to determine the direction of Nas. I'm using the system and this. So on the system, this one I made it short. I'll try to make a longer video with the system in the morning. Okay, peace guys.